everyone, it's Anya. Today I'll be going through how different concepts from this chapter, particularly the idea of radicals and their role in equations, can be applied to real-life situations and professions. Let's get started. The police are conducting an investigation into a car accident. The car that crashed left skid marks that went on for 80 meters. The police determined that this model of car can decelerate at the same acceleration as gravity. To determine whether the driver was speeding or not, the police used the equation v equals square root 2ad, where v is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration of the car, and d is the length of the skid marks. The speed limit was 100 kilometers per hour. Determine whether the driver was speeding or not. Alright, and we have our gravitational acceleration equal to 10 meters per second Okay, so we have our initial velocity. That's what we're going to be looking for, and then we have the square root of 2. Acceleration is 10, and our distance of skid marks is 80. So 2 times 10 times 80, that brings us to 1600, and the square root of 1600 is 40. However, that is not our final answer because the units we have been using have been meters per second. We used gravitational acceleration here. That's meters per second, and then we had meters here. So our answer is not yet done. We have to convert to kilometers per hour. This is probably in a place outside the US given our units. Okay, so we can just do a rational expression here real quick. 40 meters in 1 second. We can get rid of the seconds first. We're going to put that on top because we want to get rid of the s, so it will be diagonal. So there's a 3600 seconds in 1 hour. So that will cancel out, and now we want to get rid of the meters. There is 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer, so we're going to put 1 kilometer on top and then 1,000 meters on the bottom because we want the meters to cancel out here. So now we can go ahead and just multiply this out. 40 times 3600 over 1000, and that gives us 144 kilometers per hour. Our speed limit was 100 kilometers per hour, so the driver was definitely speeding. So this is just one way that maths can be extremely useful for investigations, especially forensic investigations into car accidents. The possibilities are limitless. Math is not just used in physics, sciences, biology, all sorts of stuff like that. It can be used in pretty much anything, so including forensic analysis. So yeah, the possibilities are limitless, and especially this type of concept with the radicals. There's just a lot of different ways that this can be used. Alright, thank you for listening.